Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 114 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are continuing with our arpeggios with exercises 167 and 168.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So what I like about 167 and 168 is they're a little bit different from what we've had before, especially 167. You'll notice we're playing with leading tones as well on these arpeggiations. So this is going to be really fun. And let's just look at 167 really fast. Okay, so we've got this da. So we're in C major, right? But we've got the leading tone. Da, 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 da. Now listen, da, da, leading tone to the G, right? Da, da, da. Now, da, 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 da. Then a straight arpeggiation as we come down. So this is kind of different because we actually stay in a C major chord. So, oh, you got to hear that. Oh. So that's really fun. The important thing there is to really tune that sharp fourth, right? Da, 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 da. Okay, so now let's try with C sharp major. Oh, now D sharp major. So that's really fun. Be careful about that leading tone, right? Leading tone to the fifth. That's the one you gotta watch out for. Okay, and here we're coming to exercise 168. And 168 starts off, so we've got that second scale degree, but we're still in the C major scale. Now listen. So we keep jumping to that second scale degree, right? Now, whoops, so then we've got this. So that's that diminished chord at the end. Okay, so this one's going tricky. All right, so let's try to do this slow. Oh, that's kind of a nice da da, very jazzy, right? Da. Oh, I like that. It's like a melody. Da 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 da. Ooh, can you feel it? Okay, so now that's going to make it easier because when we attach an emotional feeling onto an interval, it's much easier to make that interval. Okay, so now I really like that interval. So it's going to be a little easier to sing. Okay, so exercise 168, just note that once you get to that G, you need to continue the A, which is a little bit different. Okay, da, 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 da. And then we're coming back down that same arpeggiation, right? Bum, 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 bum. So it's basically the A is the note that's kind of out of the C major triad, right? And then we have that bum, 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 the diminished little chord right there. So I actually had to stop and start recording again because I started making up my own pattern. It happens. Okay, so let's try that again together. That's a very tricky one. I kept wanting to sing different notes there. So, okay, let's try that one more time. You know what it is? I don't want to come back to the regular triad. I want to do the F there. So just watch and make sure you're not trying to do that F as well because it's very similar to the ones that we've been doing before.